here we are then. We're at Spa. We're in the BMW M2. I went off track on my first qualifying lap and then didn't have time to finish my second because it's quite a slow lap round here. 240 is where we need to be. So I'm sort of mid-pack, which I think will be difficult. And I think we're going. I think we're going already. No.
Green flag.
There we go. Eau Rouge is quite a challenge. I've gone for a high downforce setup, so I'll probably be slow on the straight. But I'm relatively
Stay on the left.
okay up Eau Rouge. It's still a bit tricky, and I think low downforce will be very tricky, but I predict there'll be some crashes. I guess the challenge for us will be keeping out of them.
Left side.
Well, they're going so slow. Okay, there'll be some slowdowns. What's happening is you get up halfway up, you lose it, and then you lose it at the top. So, gosh, they were very slow through there, weren't they? I'm surprised at that. Anyway, let's see what we can do. See if we can make some progress. This guy seems pretty slow as well. Wondering if people have got the wrong setup on, because if you put the wrong setup on, you get hardly any power.
Stay on the right. Clear on the left.
So I'm just running what's the production cup, but with more rear wing and more height at the rear, just to counteract some of that rear wing. So the rear wing's for the high speed stuff. I don't want too much understeer in the low speed stuff. So whether it'll work or not, I don't know. I'm not a setup guru. Just hoping I can get on the back of these guys. So we're 9th now, made up 3 spots. That's good. It's getting the tyres warm and not doing anything stupid or getting involved in anyone else's accident. That's the key thing, I think. Yeah, these two are going to be battling by the looks of it. This is my only outing at Spa this week, after a busy week at Spa last week. Okay, sliding about a bit, isn't he, this guy? Hoping maybe we can make a move here. Maybe. You can't go around here flat out. Get off track like they have. So this will tell us where we're at, won't it, with Eau Rouge? I think this will be the lap where people have got tyres warm, they're a bit more confident, and then they throw it up Eau Rouge. So I think we might see a crash.
48.725. You're in the top 10.
And I could be wrong. I think at least somebody's going to get it wrong. I hope it isn't me. So often is. But yeah, I can't go flat out up here. I have to ease just a little bit. So that's what happens. You go off and it just gets a bit leery. But we made it. So I want to get past Ollie if we can then. That's our target. A nice slipstream, so that's helping us. Okay, he's got to slow down, hasn't he?
Still there. Clear on the left.
Got to slow down at Eau Rouge, that guy. That's another one. 8th now. So I think top 5 might be achievable here. Don't want to turn, does it? Understeer City, that was. He braked very early for the chicane, I noticed. Whether we can take advantage of that, I don't know.
10 minutes to go.
We haven't got long. It's a pretty short race. Oh, that's an off track, isn't it? Right with them. So we can encourage them into a mistake.
40.932.
Right with them. We can keep with them up Eau Rouge. Might be able to get them at the end of the Camel Straight. Sort of had to have to anticipate the slide, but they've got through okay, so it hasn't really helped us. Although he might make a move here. I think he might. Yes. No. Yes. Yes. Gone a bit deep though. We can follow him through. Not quite. Right behind is going a bit quick as well. I mean, we've wasted a lot of time here. Be nice to make a move, wouldn't it? We get a nice run out of there, but we can't do anything with it. See if we can not have an off track this time. Better.
Car on your left.
He looked like he wasn't going to stop to me,
Hold your line. Clear.
but he did, just about.
.261.
Okay, do we risk flat out? What do we think? I don't think so. It's just not worth the risk. The risk versus reward. You might get a 10th or two, or you end up in the wall. So I think I'll take not ending up in the wall. Okay, he's having another go, isn't he? He's got it stopped this time though. Guy behind seems keen.
Slow car ahead. Car stopped ahead.
Somebody's off then.
Car right. Go right.
Oh, nearly got away with it.
Car right. Clear. Let's make sure we rejoin safely. Car approaching. Hold. You've got wheel damage. Hold. Looks like one of your wheels is out of...
Oh, how frustrating.
Grip out there. Clear. We got damage on the front end.
That was not our fault.
It's probably slowing you a lot. The car behind is closing on you. The gap is 1 second.
All started because that other car had gone off. I thought I was going to get by then. How bad is it? I haven't got a meatball. So maybe I can keep going.
5 minutes to go.
There's no point stopping, is there, really? How bad is it? It's still going. I think I'll keep going. Oh, annoying. Oh, iRacing can be so frustrating sometimes. Yeah, I didn't get out of there very well. We're dropping back, aren't we? We haven't got the speed.
You're losing on the car in front.
Yeah.
The gap is 2.8 seconds.
Can we do anything? Yeah, I'm not going to be able to hold him back, I don't think.
52.124. You're in the top 10.
Yeah, we're in the top 10. How's it going to be up Eau Rouge then? This would be interesting. That's okay. Probably going a bit slower. Okay, this guy's going to be coming, isn't he? Because he's going to have a lot more top speed than us. We'll see. Let me hold him off. Doesn't like turning left. I think that's where I've got the problem. A lot of the corners are right, aren't they? So we're not losing too much to the cars ahead, are we? We got out of there okay. So it's not as bad as it could have been. We lost 10 seconds and our car's, what, a couple of seconds a lap slower maybe? 3 seconds a lap slower. So, not ideal, but it's not worth going in the pits. Actually turns into there better.
You just got the white flag. That means one more lap.
Yeah, got to hold him off for one lap then.
.396.
Yeah, I don't know what happened to him there, but he seemed to drop back a lot, didn't he?
You're pulling away from the car behind. The gap is 1.2 seconds.
Can't complain about that. Yeah, we're doing like 3 seconds a lap slower, aren't we, than we should be? But we're just far enough ahead, I think. Guess it all stemmed from one off track, didn't it? An off track in qualifying meant I didn't get a lap in, meant I was starting further back.
Laps of fuel left.
And was in a battle I shouldn't have been in, really. Okay. Have we got enough time? Sean looks very quick, the guy behind. And I hold him off. Closing. I get out of here okay. Not too bad. Are we far enough ahead? Less than a second. He's going to be on us at the chicane, isn't he? Yeah, he's got a lot more speed than I have. See him coming. What's going to happen? What's going to happen? Well, I'm going to defend. That's what's going to happen. Done it. And he's crashed. Oh dear, oh dear. Oh dear. We made it. 10th. Okay. I guess we'll take that. Let's have a look at those incidents then. Yeah, this was the guy behind, but yeah, just looking at the front of the car, we're missing a few bits, and that right front wheel doesn't look quite right, does it? Okay, then here's the start then. So it was all a bit confused because we thought we'd gone and then we hadn't, and then we went again. So what was happening then? So what have we got behind then? Just someone going off on their own, yeah. Bit of a pendulum swing and then helped round. And then what have we got? So this is our accident. So yeah, we sort of went round and then those two got together and I thought I just got by and and then I got hit. Yeah, and I got hit by this car. That's what did all the damage. Like, oh, how annoying. How annoying anyway. And then what's this guy doing? He's going to go off, is he? Oh, blimey. He came back from a long way, didn't he? Yeah, that was ambitious. And then he's going to go off at a rouge. Yep. Oh dear, oh dear. Off you go. Yeah, then this is going to be just on the power too much. Yeah. Yeah. And then what's he going to do here? Oh, I don't know what that was about. Must have some damage then to go off like that. And then this is the guy behind us on the last lap. Yeah, just trying to do too much. And off he goes. And that was it. Goodness. Okay, let's have a look at the results then. So that was second split out of 6. Lost some SATA rating, lost some I rating, so not great. Double red. Best lap for 239.1. What did we manage? We were 244. Yeah, 241, sorry. I've done 240s, so we'd have been up here, I think. Should have been up here. But coulda, shoulda, woulda. That's the thing, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah, very unfortunate. What were the top guys doing? What were their lap times? So top guys then 38.3, bloody hell, 38.9, 38.6. So yeah, 38 is where they are. So a good step ahead of what we were doing. Oh well, happy, I guess, to at least have finished. Mitigated some of the loss by keeping going rather than giving up. But yeah, that was just a bit unlucky. Yeah, disappointed with that. Okay, anyway. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, then please do stick around, hit that like, hit subscribe, and maybe I'll see you next time at the track.